So, cats love birds, right? Yeah, also eating them. Well, I love birds, and, you know, the things with feathers. Yeah, sometimes swoop, flies, yeah. Yeah, well, it's my job in the mornings to go get mail from the mailbox, and guess what I see? Haha, I was scattered around on the freaking, what's it called? The floor mat. There's just like feathers everywhere. And feet. Bird feet. And I was like, really, cat? I'm sad. Yeah. It's just, I continue on getting my mail. I was like, hey, this could be a fun animation. And yeah, so here I am now. Yeah. So, I'm just doing stuff. I don't know. Hopefully I can, it's just pen and paper, so hopefully I can do more of this stuff. It's just like, hopefully I can, like, once per day. It's just pencil and paper, so yeah, I should be right. Well, bye.